Johnny, not a bad first day of Pirates 4.
That's an entrance.
Really? That was such a such a glamorous entrance.
Back at it.
Good luck. Good, man. Really good. Excited. Oh, man. How did you
Santiago, famously captained by Ponce de Leon. When there. Right then.
All part of the plan, yes? No.
And exit, Johnny.
Got it.
I'm doing this. I know what to do.
Heard you're putting together a crew.
If enough people keep saying it, it must be true.
Is that your tooth?
Aye. I broke it, swallowed it, passed it, sifted it, retrieved it, polished it, fashioned.
Heard where you're headed. I found you.
You been there?
Does this face look like it's been for 1,000 years?
Depends on the light.
Cut. Keith, that was spectacular.